Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Android Wise. Today, I'm going to show you how to log out of Facebook using your phone. Don't worry if you're not very tech savvy, it's super easy. Start by finding the Facebook app on your phone's home screen. It looks like a blue square with a white F in it. Tap on it to open the app. Look for 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is called the menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that. After tapping the menu icon, you'll see a list of options. You might need to use your finger to slide down the list to see more choices. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom of the menu. You should see an option that says Log Out. Tap on that. A box will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to log out. It will say Log Out again. Tap on that to confirm. Once you do this, you will be logged out of Facebook and you'll be taken back to the login screen. That's it. You've successfully logged out of Facebook. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to ask in the comments.